Welcome! Today I want to share some strategies for leveraging the power of Amazon keywords when you are promoting or publishing your book on Amazon. Amazon isn't just a marketplace, it's actually a search engine. And like Google, Amazon matches keyword strings or searches with products that are relevant. So if you have specific keywords with your product listing or your book listing, and people are typing in those keywords, you increase your chances of your book coming up. So you have the ability to show your book to more potential readers. So this is going to help improve the discoverability of your book if you spend a little time on finding the best keywords. Amazon actually allows you to include up to 7 keywords for every book you publish, called hidden keywords because you put them in on the back end when you're uploading your book in the KDP dashboard, but they're not actually seen on your book listing. So for some tips on uncovering the best keyword, what you want to do is you want to go to Amazon and go to the Kindle Marketplace and then look at the main book categories on the left side of the page. So you'll see them listed something like this. And you want to choose the category you feel best matches your book. In this example, I'm going to enter the romance category, and then you can see that there's a lot of different multiple subcategories. Now, these are important because your book is going to be found in these subcategories a lot easier than just in the main romance category, for example. Then what you would do is you would type in some related keywords in the search bar once you're in your subcategory. So you might think about a common keyword in your genre and enter that in. And then Amazon will provide even more keyword recommendations by providing a drop-down list of commonly used strings and phrases. And these are what people are actually using to find relevant books, and you can take these for your own keywords. Let's say, for example, that you have selected the paranormal romance subcategory, and then you would start typing in, if your book has dragons in it, dragon romance, and then you can see what people are looking for. For example, if your book is a series, you could use dragon romance series as one of the keywords. And you want to focus on these long tail keyword strings, keyword phrases that are 3, 4, or 5 words or more rather than just single keywords. So once you've gone through there and have that, you should have a group of keywords that you can use that's going to be related to what people are actually looking for. Now you can take the 7 ones that you've isolated, again these are keyword phrases, and put them in your KDP book listing. There'll be a spot for those in the back end. They should be used in the most logical order, so you might want to use the largest, the ones that are the most broadest first. In addition, if you can, include one of your primary keywords in your book title. It just depends. You don't want to be keyword stuffing your book title, but if you have a keyword phrase that makes sense, it's great to include it. And you can also incorporate it into your book blurb or description and some of your other keywords. Again, you don't want to be keyword stuffing, but you should be able to put some in there if they flow and they make sense. So if you'd like more publishing strategies, check out my YouTube channel. And also, I have many other best-selling strategies for publishing here at amyharrick.com/pages/author training.